Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am called Elstar Africa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I changed my studio from just this. It's not even that clear. It's how you change your studio from this to see what you're actually seeing right now. How cool is this? Does this look good? It's a minimalist recording studio. It's just for me to record my videos. I haven't set up my editing studio yet, so with time I'm still trying to get things up and steam up the game. In this video I'm going to be digesting how I managed to make my studio look this better. It might not be the best, so please just rate this studio. You saw the previous one, and from my previous videos, if at all you've been watching them, please give it a rating, and the sound quality too. How does all of this sounds? I've had this mic for a while now. This particular one, I've had this mic, and I just decided, okay, it was time to step up the game. One thing with the studio is the fact that someone will not want to see shadows. When you raise up your hand, you will not want to see shadows like this. There are no shadows, right? There isn't any shadow when you raise up your hand. But previously, I didn't like to shake up things like this. So first things first, I used to have this ring light. The ring light is actually in front of me. It is in front of me directly, which is what is giving me the light in front. This ring light, I got it for like $22. Yes, I got it for $22. It's been a long, I got it. I'm sure for now it'll be more than. So basically this video will be me showing you how you can set up your studio with a budget of less than $200. Your home studio, less than $200. So I started with the ring light, which is what is giving me the light in front here. I have another light up, which is actually what is giving the lighting behind, the lighting on my face, and that is actually what is making the video so bright like this. That light, I got it for, that was I think $5. Yes, I got it for $5. And there is a cable linking the light from the socket to the lighting. That cable, everything should be like $4. That's $9. So we should be calculating. You could do the maths in the comment section. So we already have $22 plus $9 should be $31. I hope I'm doing the maths right here. So we have $31. Then this mic was gifted to me, but if you're about buying mic, there are wired mics. This mic is wired, it isn't wireless. This mic is wired. So there are wired mics you can get for I got a wired mic for I think $30. $30 should be like 16 or 17,000 francs. But now it will be way cheaper. It will be way cheaper. So if you need any of these accessories I am naming in this video, I am based in Cameroon. And if you are in Cameroon, yes, you can reach out to me and I will be able to fix things for you. That's it. We have this mic. It was gifted to me, but if you want to buy, you should prepare like $30. There are wireless mics so, and they're pretty good. Wireless mics should be going for almost $40. So it will all depend on you, which of them you want, and that will just be it. That's, let's say, $30 for this one I am using, plus $31 should be $61. So we are still on a budget of under $200. Now I have this lighting. There's a red one lying down here, there's a blue one lying down here. You can see there's a red one here before the other one inside there. The other one inside there, I got it for, it's 200 francs. This thing is 200 francs. It's not even up to $1. I don't know how many cents that is. I'm not good at cents, dollars stuff. Yeah. This other two, I got them for $8. The two for $8. That's way cheaper, right? And but then, considering that you have to buy some other accessories that you match up with everything, everything is amounting to like $10. 10 plus $61 is $71. We are still not even up to $100. So this video might even end with us not even having something up to $100. Would that not be great? Setting a good studio or something that will look better like this. But if you are trying to get a tripod, I think the cheapest tripod will be like $50. The cheapest one, which will either be good for your phone, $50 for the cheapest tripod. So you could go for a tripod, which is what my phone camera is actually standing on. $50 plus $70 should be like $121. $121, yes. So basically that's everything that we have in this video. And I didn't buy everything like just at once. For people who have been watching my channel, you will notice that these lightings came. I've done a video and this one wasn't there. I did a video and the lighting here wasn't like that. I mean, when I talk about the lighting, you will see that at least there's something. So when I block it like that, I mean, the face is dark, right? But when I remove, it's clear. And that's just, I mean, you setting up a good studio does not actually require that. You just go at once. I would advise that I started from small. So I didn't just start from up there. I started from small and I think I'm not yet there. I'm still setting up everything. I'm still trying to see how everything will be on point. And all of this, you know, it can't just go like that. You need to edit. If you don't edit the video, it might just look crappy somehow crappy. So you need to be good at your editing or in your editing as well, such that you step up the game and make the video look somehow cool. I mean, very cool. And for now, what I do is just mobile editing. I'm not editing with a computer yet. I'm not yet at that, but I'll be getting there soon. And so if you're doubting where my audio is coming from, I mean, this small camera, some of you must have been seeing me with this camera. You might see it and it looks like it's off. It's not off. It is on. I don't know if you can actually see this. There is a blue lighting somewhere there. I mean, I just touched the screen and it came back on. So you see, like, it's actually recording me. I don't know how clear that could be, but yeah, my camera is trying to focus on that. Cool. Yeah. So it's actually recording. I think some B-rolls will come from it and I'll use in this video. This is where my audio is coming from, not actually from the camera there. And please, if this is your first time here, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, if you find it interesting. And if you find this channel, if you find this video interesting as well to you, why not consider subscribing here, such that we grow the family. It was the algorithm as well. So my dream on this channel is to travel the whole of Cameroon. Traveling the whole of Cameroon to show you the amazing places this country has got. And I cannot just do that. At times I need to come back and record a video like this one. So that's why I needed to set up a home studio, which I am still trying to set up. It's not yet perfect. It's not perfect, I know. But I was just like trying to help to see how, so that you could see how you would be able to set up your own home studio in with less than $200. And I think that we just that. But you could add some other stuff. People would love to have flowers. Maybe here, maybe somewhere here. You could do that, and it will boost your studio too. But as I earlier said, I'm building up the studio. It's bit by bit. But I thought that it reached a stage where I should do a video like this to show you guys how I actually went about this, how I did this studio, and this is it. And if you've been watching this video, you actually know the kind of progress that has come to this studio, or to this small filming background I am trying to set up. This wall is actually yellow. And the yellow is not a perfect yellow like that. I don't know if it's that yellow or something like that. Yeah, it's kind of yellow, but in this video you're watching something else. It's not yellow, I guess. Am I right? Leave your rating of my small studio in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Was this video worth it? I hope you learned something new from this video. It is my goal that each of my video that you watch, you should learn something from it. You should either be educated in one way or the other. You should get to know me too. I'm on on some of the most popular social media platforms. Some of them. I'm on Facebook as Elstar Africa. I am on Twitter as Elstar Africa 2. I'm on Instagram as Elstar Africa 2. I am on TikTok as Elstar Africa. You can reach out to me by mail, tirafrancis930@gmail.com. Oh, you write me on any of those social media platforms and we can get business done. The link to my Patreon is in the description box. You could chip in some few dollars and it will help me on my journey of traveling across my country, Cameroon. I'm also hoping to travel across Africa, but let's start with Cameroon. I don't know if you enjoyed the video. If you did, I am happy you did. Thank you so much for having watched this video. It was amazing doing this with you. It's Elstar Africa here, signing out. It's a peace from here. Bye-bye. Let me start switching on the stuffs. And it is dark, right? It's dark, right? Is it dark? Okay. We start seeing the stuffs going. I'm sure I've recorded a video with the background which was just like this. So I used to do that. I used to do that.